Welcome, my friends. We are starting off June strong with the data entry non-phone jobs that are most popular. Today, we have 3 data entry non-phone jobs, and one of them is even looking like they hire worldwide, so stay tuned for that. But real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you're not subscribed, you might want to do that so you never miss another upload from me. Also, I've had several comments in the last few weeks. People are getting hired at these jobs. People are getting interviews. So if you have applied for a job and gotten an interview or gotten hired, please leave your experience in the comments. I always want to hear the success stories. I want to know that these are bringing value to you. But with that being said, we will dive into today's job lead. First up, we have the company Sports Radar. They are hiring a operator data entry part-time, and this is for the United States. It says they work with high-profile clients such as Fox Sports, CBS, and Amazon Prime. So they are looking for sports-minded individuals interested in football or basketball to collect play-by-play data in their custom-built technology platforms. So they're looking for someone specifically to track and enter live play-by-play data for football, basketball, baseball, hockey, and more. You have to monitor data feeds during live games and report any errors in those data feeds. You have to update scoreboards using official league sources, perform pre-game roster checks, and validate statistics post-game to ensure accuracy of a final stat report. So they are looking for someone who understands the game in a variety of sports, someone who's willing to work nights, weekends, and in some cases holidays, because that's when games are going on live, someone who has great attention to detail and the ability to work in a fast-paced environment, good communication and computer skills, and someone who is self-motivated. So it says they do offer remote training, and as much flexibility in working as shifts is allowed, and it is remote work offered. Now, along with all the job leads that will be linked in the description below, I do have the GlassDoor page for this one linked down below as well. They do have some good reviews if you want to check it out, but I was able to find a data entry operator salary, and 4 people who previously worked for this company have given their salary, and so it looks like an average of $37,000 a year is what a data entry operator for this company makes. Next up, we have the company Bounteous. I hope I am saying that right. They are in finance and operations. They are looking for a data entry specialist. They are looking for someone to set up projects and pipeline data collection and management across all of their systems to ensure that critical projects are set up and the data is entered properly into the systems according to their written instructions. They need someone to manage and collect data, ongoing maintenance with a sense of flexibility and attention to detail, someone to plan, organize, prioritize, and handle multiple tasks in their work environment, and someone to understand their sales process and raise any flags with the inaccuracies of their data. Now, while they do prefer a bachelor degree, it is not required. They will take equivalent experience over a bachelor degree. Their experience needs to be 1 to 2 years of related experience. Process-oriented with the ability to adapt quickly, someone who's open-minded and enthusiastic, someone who has the ability to problem solve, great time management and organizational skills, and strong verbal and written communication skills. Proficiency in Microsoft Office and Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel is also needed. Now, while the top of this does say United States, down here at the bottom, it says they are willing to sponsor eligible candidates for employment visas. It does not say what countries are eligible for employment visas or what eligible candidates mean, but this means that they will hire outside the United States for the right candidate. They did not list salary. You will have to ask that at the time of an interview. I do have their GlassDoor page linked down below as well if you want to check out reviews on the company. However, I was not able to find a salary estimate on Glassdoor for this position. And last but not least, we have the company Conduent hiring project-based remote data entry associates. So they are looking for someone to be able to type at least 40 words per minute, be familiar with Adobe, Excel, and Microsoft applications, be able to work mandatory overtime during their peak periods, need to be flexible where you can either work first or second shift, and have great attention to detail. They are specifically looking for people to work different projects to provide document review and data entry support to their clients. They're looking for someone to provide production services to client operations by performing administrative tasks such as data entry, document processing, and scanning, receiving documents electronically for accurate processing, processing those documents following their internal processes, and identifying documents and their purpose in creating a database of information. Now, this is United States only, so you have to have legal authorization to work in the United States without requiring a visa. They do require a high school diploma or equivalent level of education. You have to be able to pass a criminal background check and a drug screen, be able to type 40 words per minute, and have great attention to detail. Now, since this is project-based, they do not state what the pay rate is. You will have to ask them at the time of the interview, but they do say they offer paid training, career growth opportunities, and full benefit options. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If these job leads were not what you were looking for, please leave in the comments down below anything specific that you're looking for, education and experience that you have. I always read the comments and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.